Spectrum routers typically use a default LAN IP address like 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. This address serves as the gateway for all devices connected to your network. Alongside the IP address, the subnet mask, often 255.255.255.0, defines the range of addresses available on your network, determining which devices can communicate locally. You might need to change these settings to resolve IP conflicts with other devices, customize your network setup, or configure multiple routers in your home. To access these settings, log into your router's web interface by entering the current IP address in your browser. Default credentials are usually admin for username and password for the password, which you can find on the router sticker. Spectrum routers support DHCP for automatic IP assignment to devices, but manual changes are useful for advanced users who need precise control over their network configuration. Recent firmware updates for Spectrum routers emphasize enhanced security features and IPv6 support. Versions like 2.5.1.8 or higher for ARIS models include protections against vulnerabilities such as DNS rebinding attacks that could impact IP configuration. First, connect to your Spectrum router using an Ethernet cable for a stable connection. Open your web browser and type in your router's current IP address, such as 192.168.1 or 192.168.1.1, to access the admin panel. Navigate to the Network or LAN Setup section in the admin panel. Here, modify the IP address and subnet mask fields. For example, change the IP to 192.168.2.1 and keep the subnet mask at 255.255.255.0. Save your changes. Your router will likely reboot. After the reboot, all your devices will need to reconnect to the network using the new IP address range. Remember to back up your current settings before making any changes. For security, always use a strong password to protect your router from unauthorized access. Note that Spectrum is pushing IPv6 alongside IPv4, with routers automatically enabling dual-stack configurations. This allows for larger address spaces, reducing the need for manual subnet tweaks.